This egg cooker has been all over my TikTok for about a month now. I finally caved in and bought one, but I got mine off Amazon instead of TikTok because they had a same-day delivery for around the same price as the TikTok special. This is what I got in the box: the lid, boiling tray, heating tray, measuring cup with egg piercer, 2 poaching trays, and an omelet bowl. This is the measuring cup. It has 3 symbols, one for soft-boiled eggs, one for medium, and another for hard-boiled eggs. This is my first time ever using this cooker, so I washed everything with dish soap and plan to cook 3 hard-boiled eggs. So I want to fill the cup up to the 3 next to the hard-boiled symbol. And that's perfect, and now we just pour the water into the heating tray and we're ready to go. And next we'll put in the boiling tray. Then we'll get our eggs, remove 3, and use the pin located at the bottom of the measuring cup to pierce the top of the egg. This is supposed to make it much easier to peel at the end, but I have seen videos where they skip this step and it still turns out perfect and easy to peel. Next, we'll add the lid. And then we'll plug in the cooker. Once that's done, we'll flip the switch over to the cooking position. The instructions say it should take 20 minutes for 3 hard-boiled eggs, but the cooker will start beeping when all the water evaporates, which may be more or less than that time frame. In this case, it only took 16 minutes. I was skeptical that we'd have hard-boiled eggs, but I put the trust in the cooker and will remove the eggs now. To remove, use tongs as the eggs are very hot, and you want to put them directly into a bowl of cool water from the sink. You want to let them sit in that water for 15 to 20 minutes. My form was a little off on the first egg, so I sped it up. Once I figured out the trick, the next 2 go much quicker. But you want to crack the eggshell and start peeling. The trick is to peel in a way that you grab the shell and the thin coating underneath. If you get both, it slides right off the egg. I haven't peeled eggs in years because I remember how painful it was doing so. But I will say this was a breeze and makes this cooker 100% worth the money. I've used this cooker for multiple days now and know it will get plenty of use in the future. I'll leave a link in the description. If you don't mind, use that link to get you one if you're interested. It will help the channel. And this is not a paid advertisement, but instead a product I bought with my own money that I know you'll enjoy if you're looking for a healthy snack to add to your daily meals. Now that I figured out the trick, this last egg went really quick, but I was still curious if it was truly hard boiled. After getting all the shells off, I ran some water over each egg to get the shell fragments off, then cut it in half to see how the cooker did. As you can see, after slicing it in half, it is perfect. The yolk pops right out, and that's what I do: pop out the yolk, salt the egg white, and enjoy 3.5 grams of healthy protein.